You're in my arms again. This time I love you much better. If ever you're in my arms again, this time I love you forever. This time will never end. I'm seeing clearly how still you need me. I still love you so. There's something between us that won't ever leave us. There's no letting go. We had a once in a lifetime, but I just don't see it till my life fell apart.